In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unpublish your website on Wix. So you want to go to Wix and go to My Websites, and then you want to go to the website that you want to unpublish. So I'm just going to go with this one. So click on Select and Edit the site, and that should bring you over to the dashboard. We'll just have to wait for that. There you go. Now once you're here, you can click on Settings, which is in this menu. So let me just scroll down and click on Settings right there. And then you want to go to Overview, which it automatically does, and then you will be able to find Publish Status right there, and then you can click on Unpublish. So click right there and then click on Unpublish, and it's gonna load. And then okay, so you can see there loading, please wait. We'll just wait for that. But that's pretty much how you can unpublish your website. As you can see right there, it now says site is unpublished. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you leave a like on the video. That would help me out. Leave a comment down below and let me know if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.